Ba't hindi ka sigurado? Nung tinanong ka kanina, sinagot mo PCDS.
Yes, sir.
Tinanong kita ngayon, parang hindi ka sigurado.
Ang last
Hindi, wag ganon.
Yes, sir.
Colonel Cunanan, we are wasting time here eh. Ang tanong sa'yo, nung ma-receive mo, inaksyon na ninyo, tama?
Yes, sir.
May ginawa kayong formal endorsement?
Yes, sir. Meron po.
Okay. Kaya mong isubmit yan sa committee?
Yes, sir. We will,
Okay.
I will request for the copy of the communication.
Saan office mo in-endorse? Is it sa Chief PNP or DPRM?
Sa
Sabihin mo ng
letter.
diretso, gumawa kayo, hindi.
Sir, gumawa po kami, sir.
Kanino naka-address?
Sir, kay Chief PNP, sir, kasi...
Okay,
Sir.
wag nang kasi. Kasi limited time tayo. After that, sino yung hindi ginampanan yung trabaho, kaya tayo, mga nakanganga dito.
Siguro, Mr. Chair, mag-start na tayo ng interpellation. Pangalawa ko eh.
Madam Chair,
So,
meron mo na mga dapat i-clear
sige,
dito
sige.
before the interpellation. So, teka, si Congressman Busita,
Sige,
palagay
okay.
ko meron siyang gusto i-clear eh.
Mr. Chair, before we proceed lang sana for the maayos na issues that we have to tackle, may we allow the other resource speakers who have not been invited in the first hearing to relate their remarks first, no? Bago mag-interpellate ang members for us to be knowledgeable also of the issues that they will be tackling as well. Kasi marami tayong mga resource speakers na first time lamang po na we wanted to hear something from them as well. So, sana po bago tayo magtanong sa mga lahat ng mga resource speakers na nandito, pakinggan po muna natin sila. And also the victims who are na nandito rin po, Mr. Chairman, pakinggan po muna natin sila.
So, that's the request. Congressman Busita, anong meron ka bang gustong sabihin?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, doon lang po sa concern dito. Nandito po tayo to conduct investigation. And most of the resource persons na dapat nandito ay wala ngayon, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang malinawan kay Colonel Cunanan. Nandiyan po ba? Mr. Chair, pwede bang malaman kay Colonel Cunanan, kailan mo nalaman yung invitation dito sa mga resource persons?
Sir, last Friday, COMSEC sent us the invitations. First, the retired PNP chiefs.
So,
And then-
nalaman mo through email and totoo ba na nagkausap pa kayo ni COMSEC?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. After na malaman mo, anong ginawa mo?
Sir, I requested our department to force through the communication to PRBS dahil retired na po yung mga officers natin.
Hindi, wag yun ganun sagot mo.
Yes, sir.
Siyempre, sa PNP, once you receive communication, pag nabasa mo, anong ginawa mo? Pinadala mo ba? In-endorse mo ba sa higher headquarters? O ano? Sabihin mo.
Yes, sir. I requested our department to ipadala po sa right unit ng PNP.
Okay. Para klaro sa lahat, from your office, nagpadala kayo ng communication.
Yes, sir.
To what office?
Ang last
Hindi, wag ganon.
Yes, sir.
Colonel Cunanan, we are wasting time here eh. Ang tanong sa'yo, nung ma-receive mo, inaksyon na ninyo, tama?
Yes, sir.
May ginawa kayong formal endorsement?
Yes, sir. Meron po.
Okay. Kaya mong isubmit yan sa committee?
Yes, sir. We will,
Okay.
I will request for the copy of the communication.
Saan office mo in-endorse? Is it sa Chief PNP or DPRM?
Sa personally, hindi ko po nakita yung communication, but
Hindi,
my
ganito,
secretary...
Colonel Cunanan. Nakakaya sa mga resource persons natin eh, para tayong nagsasayang ng oras dito eh. Gusto kong maklaro from your office, gumawa kayo ng formal endorsement
Yes, sir.
doon sa letter
Yes, sir.
or invitation.
Yes, sir.
Kanino naka-address yung letter ninyo?
Sir, though I haven't seen personally
Sabihin mo ng
the letter.
diretso, gumawa kayo, hindi.
Sir, gumawa po kami, sir.
Kanino naka-address?
Sir, kay Chief PNP, sir, kasi...
Okay,
Sir.
wag nang kasi. Kasi limited time tayo.
Yes,
So, naka-address kay Chief PNP. Siyempre, pwedeng for the Chief PNP, attention DPRM, meron pa bang ibang office concern kung saan mo pinadala o direkta sa office of the Chief PNP?
Sir, kay TCDS, sir.
O, TCDS. Can you prove that?
Yes, sir.
O, Mr. Chair, nililinaw ko po ito. Para malinaw sa atin, ginawa po ni Colonel Cunanan ng office niya. Yung dapat niyang gampanan. Yung po ang dapat nating matrace. After na masend sa office of the TCDS, what happened? The Chief Directorial Staff, Mr. Chair. So, kasi po, kung babakbakan natin si Colonel Cunanan halimbawa, pati yung major na legal officer, parang mali. Dapat klaro kung sino yung responsible, sino yung hindi nag-act accordingly, yun dapat, Mr. Chair, ang mabigyan ng show cause order. Kasi, kawawa yung ibang junior officers namimilipit, hindi alam ang isasagot So for that matter, Mr. Chair, malinaw po na ginawa ni Colonel Cunanan from his office yung trabaho nila. And according to him, mapuprove niya, sinabit yung communication sa office of the TCDS ng PNP. Then after that, sino yung hindi ginampanan yung trabaho, kaya tayo, mga nakanganga dito. Hindi alam ng mga resource persons na dapat nandito sila ngayon. Sayang yung oras kasi, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Do you have any interjection, Congressman Karap?
Anyway, this is just all administrative matters, Mr. Chairman. Well, in fact, I have not yet proceeded with regards to documents being requested by this committee during the previous hearing. But, gusto ko lang pong balikan si Colonel Cunanan kasi paiba-ibang sagot mo kanina. Now you have submitted that invitation doon sa kanino? Ano na office? Ba't hindi ka sigurado? Nung tinanong ka kanina, sinagot mo PCDS.
Yes, sir.
Tinanong kita ngayon, parang hindi ka sigurado. Saan mo ba talaga pinadala?
Your Honor, I'm not the signatory of the letter po. Kasi
Iyon
I
na
just
nga
read
ang
it.
problema Kasi tinatanong ka ni Colonel Busita, now Congressman Busita, sinabi mo PCDS, now you're telling us that you're not officially affection signature doon? Ano ba talaga?
It was my boss, sir, who signed the signature towards to the TCDS.
Then you produce the document
Yes, sir.
that you're telling Congressman Busita.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, better invite in next hearing yung opisina ng PCDS para at least malinaw to. Kaysa naman ngayon, we don't have any conclusion yet. But as per the answer of Colonel Cunanan, paiba-iba yung sagot niya. Kaya nakakalito nga. Kaya just to confirm, please submit the document and better invite in the next hearing the PCDS. Now, Mr. Chairman, there are still resource persons that were invited and as of today, they are not present, particularly the former CIDG Police Major General Romeo Karamat, who is present last hearing, now is not present. Did he confirm? And mayroon ba siyang communication? Why is not present in today's hearing? Wala. So no reply?
No.
But he has received.
Yes.
Do you have a received copy for that?
So recently.
Pero sigurado natanggap niya.
Opo.
But no reply. Mr. Chairman, I move that we will issue a show cause order for Police Major General Romeo Karamat for not attending the hearing without any explanation why she should not be cited in contempt, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion. Is there any second to that? Second motion. Okay, been moved seconded.